Welcome to this comprehensive guide on how to use Authorize net AcceptJs. Authorize net AcceptJs is a JavaScript library that allows you to securely accept payments in your application without sensitive payment information ever touching your servers. To get started, you will need an Authorize net account and a payment form on your website. First, set up an Authorize net account and obtain your API login ID and transaction key. These credentials will be used to authenticate your requests to the Authorize net servers. Next, include the AcceptJs library in your payment form. This library will handle the secure collection and transmission of sensitive payment information. You can include the library by adding a script tag to your HTML file that points to the AcceptJs URL. Once the library is included, you need to create a payment form that collects the payment information from your customers. This form should include fields for the card number, expiration date, and security code. You also need to create a token that will be used to identify the customer and the payment method. To create a token, you will need to call the AcceptJs function and pass in the payment information and your API credentials. The function will return a token that you can use to charge the customer. The token is a unique identifier that represents the customer and the payment method. After you have created a token, you can use it to charge the customer. You will need to send a request to the Authorize net servers with the token and the amount you want to charge. The servers will then process the payment and return a response indicating whether the payment was successful or not. Best practices for using Authorize net AcceptJs include making sure that you handle errors and exceptions properly. You should also make sure that you are storing the token securely and not storing any sensitive payment information on your servers. In summary, using Authorize net AcceptJs is a secure and easy way to accept payments in your application. By following these steps and best practices, you can ensure that you are handling sensitive payment information securely and providing a seamless payment experience for your customers. Remember to always handle errors and exceptions properly and to store the token securely to prevent any unauthorized access to sensitive payment information.